Hello people of the earth, sup? To be honest, I'm out of ideas, haha, that's because I want each of my project has its own uniqueness and doing something new or different each time, and that's hard. I have to think about what I'm going to make every single time I want to start a project. Even while I cook this jalapeno fried noodle, I keep thinking about it. Do I add rice? Or should I just cook 2 packs and also with rice? Or should I cook 3 packs but with no rice? And oh, my free mail voiceover is ended, so I'm back using Google Translate, but that's enough about me. So how are you today? Good? Hope everyone's healthy and rich. Speaking of today, for today's video I want to elaborate the last project, which is the Lightning McQueen custom. You can check the video somewhere on my channel. So to elaborate that project I want to make a diorama for it. Exciting, isn't it? I bet it does, so let's get started. From the start I have already faced a difficulty on how to measure the base. I want to make only this part of the Nascar track. But the track have an angle and curve track. So I try it out with a cardboard before I move on to PVC board. After I have the right shape I take it apart for a template. Now let's start with a PVC board. Draw the shape using the previous template and cut it. Don't forget to make a coffee to accompany you through the project. I like my coffee black and bitter, just like life, and not too hot. I want to drink it right away. I hate waiting for it to cool down. Time to assemble them with a super glue. Even after using not so accurately measured template, there's still some excess left. Trim it down. Using a PVC glue mixed with sand to make the asphalt. Today I want to show you slightly different way to make the asphalt with the same materials. Dry it faster with a hairdryer. using my logo to put it on the safety wall and fence like this. Using a soft pastel to add some crash detail a little bit. At first I try to make the pole fence with a cotton bud stick heated with a candle, but it's hard to make the shape consistencies, so I switch into a gardening wire. Easy to shape and easy to maintain the consistencies. Move on making the fence using a wired mesh. Make a masking for the yellow line. I never watch Nascar race in my life, and I don't think Disney's movie cars count, but I've been doing some quick research on Google. The detail on the track is never the same, so I choose to use the yellow line on the inner ring of the track. add some more detail on the asphalt and done. So, let's we all be kind and do good to each other. I still have to think about that rice and the instant noodle, but you can go ahead, subscribe, leave a comment, give a thumbs up, share it and go swimming. Goodbye.